a cool budget camera drone 3D holograms fan maker and many more like this. Today you will meet all mind-blowing gadgets, you are going to meet all the gadgets. You will find the purchase links in the description, my friends, so without wasting any time let's start with first gadgets. Guys, you are watching Gadget World. Number 1, which is going to be these cool 3D awesome RGB clocks. Normally found in our homes wall clocks and desk clocks with needles, that they are right digital, but even then there is no such special feature that it matters. Anyone who sees it keeps looking at it, so eye-catching. This clock is a neon clock. In this clock glass tube is inverted and a wood. These are attached to the base, the time is shown inside the tubes. The numbers glow in neon style and they come in RGB colors, so definitely, the desk look is very eye-catching. To turn it on, you just have to plug its cable into the socket, and if you want to do something like that, then for that some buttons etc. are also given below it. You can keep it on your gaming desk or study table. You can make your personal base shine. Imagine you have an exam tomorrow, you are studying or doing some very important work, you are completely focused, and if family members or friends come to your room again and again and disturb you, how annoying it is, right? So I will save you from this headache. Well, actually not me, this gadget will save you. It is called Busy Tag. Just put it on your laptop or PC, on whichever you are working, and it will have a busy display which will make people understand before they can disturb you, that the person is busy right now, so don't disturb him, and then they won't disturb you. And not only this, Busy Tag can set a reminder for you so that you don't forget anything. You can set a timer in it. That means you can display whatever you want in it, and you can say a lot without saying anything in a way. This gadget will become an extension of your own battle rope for workout. You must have seen in the gym or in movies that the hero works out in such a battle form and makes a great body shot, and a lot of people really like to work out with these big and heavy ropes. But if you don't want to go to the gym and you won't be able to use such big ropes at home, then obviously, then there is a solution for this rope. A rope that works just like a battle rope. But surprise, you know what? There are no ropes in it. That means it is a kind of ropey battle rope. You can do more than 13 different workouts with the rope. Its design is very compact, as you can see it anywhere. Start working out even in your room. These can easily fit in your backpack. You don't need to install them. You not need more space to keep them. That means it is very convenient, but still these battle ropes have a wave-like movement. That is, they perfectly replicate it because they are highly elastic on the front side. There are springs in them and in themselves too. They are very flexible. If it is durable, then why go to gym and do 10 different types of workouts? Why spend money on equipment? Do you know Marvel fans who are especially meaning a big fan of Spider-Man? Well, you are a fan yourself, so okay, then gift this watch to yourself, because this watch is based on Spider-Man theme. The entire watch comes with shiny texture on the bottom side. Its dial is kept fully transparent, friends, in which Marvel logo is made, plus the internal gears of the watch. They are visible. And talking about the dial, it has been kept in octagonal design instead of a pure circular watch, which is good overall. This watch is formal and specially will go well with casual outfits. And casual, which is your favorite superhero? Comment the name below. Let's see which superhero hero has the most fans. A fidget gadget like this, when you spin it, then a sound like this will come, just like wind chimes, a very relaxing sound. But this is not a surprise. This fidget toy is made in such a way that when you use it, you will feel relaxed and calm. When you get tired while working, then take a 5-minute break. Put it on the desk and spin it, and it, while spinning smoothly, will make the same sound as wind chimes. On hearing which, your mind will become completely stress-free. All tension will disappear in a second, and immediately you will start feeling refreshed. Apart from spinning it on the desk, you can also rotate and spin it by holding it in your hand. Means there is not just one but many options of fidgeting. There is a size of a coin as much as it takes, then easily it will fit in your pocket whenever you feel even a little stress or tension. Use it for 5 minutes and you will relax yourself with it. To avoid having to work hard in cleaning, handheld vacuum cleaner has been made. That's right, but you can hold it by hand. Cleaning has to be done right, that hard work. For this, a robot has come. Vacuum, but that too, friend, cannot clean by climbing stairs. In such a case, guys, finally a robot vacuum has come which will not only clean the floor, but will also climb on the stairs in your house. It will clean them too, its true end power. It is so strong that no matter how big the waste is, it cleans it with a plain floor. It can also clean mats, etc. Guess what? While cleaning, the sound from it is very low, which means almost zero, so you can keep doing whatever work you are doing, it will not disturb you at all. Whether you are on Batman's side or Joker's side, this Batmobile is not a joke, it is serious, and bad as like the Dark Knight looking Batmobile, which is made of building blocks, its tires and the rest of the body. You will get the blocks unassembled, so after buying it, you have to assemble it yourself. Assembling will take a few hours, but the moment it is ready, literally you will be amazed by it. Then you can keep it on your gaming desk or any normal table, etc. in the room, wherever you want. Its design is exactly like the movie Batmobile, so you can open its doors and make Batman sit inside it, or even Joker. Let me your favorite Batman is Dark Knight or Bane Flake or Robert Pattinson. Tell me by commenting. See, guys, like this to make body steroids are available, right? If there was a liquid to increase intelligence, it would so be good. Now intelligence you cannot increase it, but by increasing focus you can definitely increase your creativity and productivity by using Stimagz Series 2 Quiet Edition. Suppose you are studying and want that your full focus should be on studies and you can utilize your full potential in study. Then simply take this magnetic tool in your hand, start using it like this. You will be friend. It is not doing anything special, so how will it increase focus? Then I will tell. Yes, actually guys, this gadget is not going to increase your focus, increasing blood flow to the frontal cortex, stimulating the brain. Plus, let me tell you one more big advantage of this. We have a bad habit of checking our phone again and again while studying or working, which keep distracting us. This will also go away. The next product is for those who spend a large part of their day in front of the computer. Now it may look like a normal footrest, but it's not actually. It has three things. There is a footrest, there is also a roller for foot massage, and there is also a memory foam cushion. Next level, when you move your feet up and down in these massage rollers for comfort, they stimulate the reflexes of the feet and the tension will be released, and when the massage is done, flip it like this and put your feet in low and high quality memory foam cushion and start working again. Because to tell the truth, no matter how good and expensive your gaming chair and desk are, unless there is a proper footrest under the table to keep your feet comfortably, there will be a problem in working with comfort, and there is a problem, so I have told you its solution. Now let's move on to our next gadget. Oh, this one has come very quickly. It is a fan itself, so it will be fast forward, but not from the ceiling in a fan of some movie star. This is a 3D hologram fan. Yet didn't you understand? Look at this. This is a 3D hologram of headphones. This hologram is being displayed in the air. First of all, it is 3D and it is made from this fan. When this fan moves, its arms are already programmed in such a way that it glows in a specific pattern while moving and while glowing, and the result is created when the fan spins. But it is such a 3D hologram that this thing can have such fans for business purpose or personal users. Friends, look, our phone has all the features of the world. All the right features are there in our phone, but the display of the phone is very small, and the car, while driving you will not use the phone. Now, there is a big display in the car, but it has very few features. So what should we do? We have an idea. This gadget named Autopro X will convert your car's navigation screen into a laptop so that you can use it. All the features of a smartphone will be available in it. After that you can use your car's website on the same big navigation screen, play games or do literally anything else. In a way, your screen will be fully upgraded with just a small device, and by using this, you will be able to directly activate the features of this display by giving voice commands, that is, by speaking directly, so that you don't get distracted while driving. Basically, in one line, this gadget will turn your car's navigation screen into a laptop. Then you will be able to connect keyboard, game pad, etc. to it, open any app, run it without any tension. Seamless and smooth experience, brother. This one is a must-have for car owners. Today's last gadget is a cool compact map drone, brushless motor and optical flow. Due to localization, it flies very accurately in the air. that's why it can be flown by everyone from adults to small children easily. On the bottom side, it has 4 LEDs, 2 red and 2 blue, and as I said, it has not one but 2 cameras, one so the front side and the other is its bottom. Both of the side end have high definition cameras, which you can see the live footage in real time on your smartphone, gesture photography, etc. Means all these have become quite common features nowadays. You can easily fly it during the day as well as in the dark of night. Guys, now it is your turn to like the video, so like it now. Also subscribe the channel and turn on notifications so that you never miss new gadgets. Take care of yourself. I will meet you in the next video with some new gadgets. Bye.